Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to introduce you to a new free online tool. To get started, head over to our website and take a look at all the great Christmas embroidery designs we're offering this year. Now, let's get back to the purpose of this video. Open the Tools section in the menu. There, you'll find 3 free online tools, including our Previewer tool. Let's take a look at what you can do with it. With the Previewer tool, you can instantly preview your embroidery designs right in your browser. Just upload your files, either zip archives or individual embroidery files, and you'll see detailed information about each design, no software installation needed. Now, let's test it with one of our freebies. Go to the Explore tab in the menu and choose Try Samples. I'll select our most recent freebie, the Scalloped Lace Edge font freebie, and download the file. It comes as a ZIP file. I'll go back to the Previewer tool and drag the downloaded file into the pink section where the Browse Files button is located. It will start processing the files and open them so you can see all the files included in the zip. Now you can see all the files in the ZIP, including any pictures or PDF files, along with the different embroidery file formats. You probably won't need all of them, so this helps you quickly identify which format is compatible with your embroidery machine. I opened the PES file and now I can see detailed information about the design, including the size, stitch count, estimated time, and number of colors. You can preview the color steps to see the stitching order by color, including the estimated time each step will take. I'll close the color step preview and download only the format I need, the one that's compatible with my machine. And that's it. See how easy it was? It's completely free, no sign-up required, fully private. It doesn't share, save, or track your files, and there are no limits on how many times you can use it. Enjoy!